What is up, guys? Welcome on back to Tech Talk Vids, and look what I have here. We have the Galaxy Z Fold 6, fresh, new, and we're about to get it bucky ass naked. All right, guys, I know this is upside down, but we're gonna go ahead and try to flip this thing open now. I always only tear one side of my tabs when I get one of these phones, and I'm gonna lift this up now. We're gonna see what we got here in the box, this wonderful Z Fold 6. Oh, look at that thing, man. Woo, it's beautiful. So we're going to get this thing out of its box. It looks like it has a little screen protector thing there on the front. Same here on the inside. Yep. So we're going to put this off to the side and see what else we get in the box, which is probably nothing. And that was it. Yeah, I mean, we got the cable here and I guess the books and stuff that are in here, and that's it. None of that crap really matters to me. If you guys want to see it, I mean, I could take it out, but I don't really care. Anyways, so we'll put the box back together and put this off to the side, and let's take a look at the phone. All right, so this is the phone. This is what it looks like on the inside. It does feel a little bit better in the hands. It clearly feels lighter than last year's model. I can tell you that right now. We'll power it up. If it's not dead, is it dead? That would be hilarious if that's the case. I was about to say, damn. So it's booting now. We're going to go through the setup procedures. I got to sign in on my eSIMs and all of that stuff, and then I'll give you my first impressions on it. I ended up going, I know you guys said, well, why don't you buy one from your carrier? There's a lot of good deals going on right now, as well as pre-order. And actually at Best Buy right now, they're doing the storage upgrade still for free. So when I picked up this silver one, I ended up getting the 512 gigabyte version for the same price I would have got for the 256, and all I had to do was trade in some Mickey Mouse ass phone. I think it was like an iPhone SE2 or something that I used as a trade-in, and I ended up getting $300 off of the $2,050 price after taxes. And Best Buy gives you a $375 gift card. You can't beat that. Like, you literally can't beat that. That's better for me, in my opinion, than getting it at a carrier and still paying 50 or 60 bucks a month or 70 bucks a month every single month for this phone. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and get it set up. We're going to do videos. I am going to compare it to the OnePlus Open. I'll probably do a video with the Pixel Fold in this, so stay tuned. If you like today's video and you like what I do, give the video a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, stay petty, my friends.